All right, if you guys live in an RV and you have an office in your RV, you need to get one of these, or if you have a hardwood floor and your office is on a hardwood floor, you need to get one of these chair mats. The reason why is because the RV flooring or the linoleum flooring is a little soft and you don't want your chairs to indent into that. And so you get one of these that has it's not for carpet, it's for hardwood floor. So it's really thin and it is strong material. So let me show you really quick what I mean by that. Now, particularly in a hardwood floor, you have this separation from a slide out, and your wheels going up and down on this is not going to be good if you keep going up and down on this material all the time. So I got myself one of these chair mats, we'll call it a chair mat, right there, just to go into this area right here. Pull it back. Now we can slide on this mat right here. And I'm putting it the long way right here because I don't have much space, but you can put it any which way you want it to. But this makes the most sense for me. And you can see now my wheels are on here and I can roll up and down without damaging the floor below. So that's why I got it. That's my use case. Hopefully that helps. If you're in a similar situation, I would grab one of these too.